The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. At 7:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there have been multiple reports stating that various fireworks are releasing a highly dangerous gas that can hypnotize people into attacking others and trying to get them to become hypnotized too. These hypnotized individuals can be determined by red glowing eyes and animalistic behavior. Do not shelter in place, as sheltering in place is proven to be useless against this gas. Instead, take essential supplies like food, water, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, important documents. Be sure to check in with your local Red Cross shelter even if you aren't intending to stay there. Refugee camps are being set up in the following areas: Anaheim, Santa Monica, Laguna Beach, Long Beach, and Santa Clarita. Continue to monitor your local media outlets for more information on this catastrophic situation.
Message is being transmitted at the request of the Greensboro Police Department in conjunction with the Greensboro Emergency Management. At 8:44 p.m., various fireworks shows were found to be releasing a highly dangerous gas which can alter the mind and drive the host into a homicidal rage. These people are also armed with knives, guns, and baseball bats. All residents are advised to evacuate immediately as this gas is somehow able to bypass sheltering in place procedures. When evacuating, bring food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, extra batteries, and important documents. If you see anyone with red glowing eyes, do not hesitate to use a firearm or other means to defend yourself. Repeating, fireworks in Greensboro are releasing a highly dangerous gas that can hypnotize people into attacking others using various firearms and weapons. Act now to protect your life.
Pure beef patty and no artificial preservatives or flavors. Made just the way.
Office of Emergency Management. Fireworks containing gas which causes people to attack others have been released. This gas is also able to bypass normal sheltering in place procedures and can spread as far as 30 miles out. Act now to protect your life.
Immediate evacuation order for Miami and surrounding areas. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Miami-Dade Emergency Management. All residents are ordered to evacuate now. A highly dangerous gas has been released via fireworks. This gas is known for hypnotizing people into attacking others with weapons and trying to get them to become hypnotized too. Sheltering in place has been proven to be useless against this gas, and this gas can travel up to 30 miles. Act now to protect your life. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will be speaking on the air shortly. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will be speaking on the air shortly. Stand by. Stand. This is an important announcement from the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. All residents are required to evacuate major population centers or any place which has carried out a fireworks show. This is due to a highly dangerous hazardous material being present in almost every firework in the United States. This hazardous material is able to hypnotize people into attacking others with various weapons and also gaining red long eyes. Sheltering in place is discouraged as this hazardous material has been able to bypass normal shelter-in-place procedures. When evacuating, bring food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, extra batteries, important documents, and a firearm to defend yourself against these affected individuals. This is the end of this message. Please tune to stations providing news and information for your local area regarding this national emergency.